Yeah, finally did it. Bought them sleigh bell, two sleigh bell, and three $5 hat, and you know, just scratch half of them. And right here in this ticket, no, sorry guys, this one. In this ticket, I reveal, if you can tell, I reveal one bell, two bell, three bell, four bell, five bell, and six bell. So we scratch the rest of it, and I still got them bonuses spot to be scratched. Who knows? Maybe we can win some more money. No. And then scratch this $5 one. No symbol yet, but we see soon. Second one, scratch it, no symbol yet, but soon. Who knows? And the third one, boom. I reveal another hat right here on the top spot. And I scratch it by mistake, and I can see if like is a sign of a 5 or something. So basically, the way I see it, this is gonna be a $5 winning ticket, I guess. Not sure, but here you go, all the tickets. Didn't scan none of them, but I will reveal the price later on. What up, YouTube? Have a nice night. Check my page, subscribe.